students. Welcome to all to Shree Kamakshi tutorials. Today we are discussing the most important questions on real number. In section C, they ask the short answers. They are 3 marks question. Today we are discussing the most important 3 marks questions on real number. The most important question, first most important question should be, in a teacher's workshop, the number of teachers teaching French, Hindi and English are 48, 80 and 144 respectively. Find the minimum number of rooms required in each room of the same number of teachers are seated and all of them are of the same subject. That means first we have to find out the HCF of 48, 80 and 144. That means 48 is written as a 2 raised to 4 into 3. Here is a 48. 48 means 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Next 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. That means 48 is written as a 2 raised to 4 into 3. That is written here. Next is a 80. 80 means 2 4s are 8, 0, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 6, 5 1s are 5. That means 80 is written as a 2 raised to 4 into 5. Next is a 144. 144 is written 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Next 2 3s are 6, 7 minus 6 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 2 becomes 12, 2 6s are 12. Next is a 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 6 becomes 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. That means 144 is written as a 2 raised to 4 into 3 square. That is written here. Next, the HCF of 48, 80 and 144 should be 2 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 4, 2 raised to 4. That means HCF is a 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. That means HCF is equal to 16. They ask the total number of rooms required. That means 48 divided by 16 plus 80 divided by 16 plus 144 divided by 16. On simplification, this we got the answer is should be 17. Next question. Find the value of x, y, z and w in the following factor tree. Also write the prime factorization of x. They ask the value of w. The value of w should be 13 into 7. 13 into 7. 13 7s are 91. The value of w is a 91. That is written here. W is equal to 13 into 7 is equal to 91. Next, they ask the value of z. The value of z should be 3 into w. That means 3 into 91. 3 into 91 is a 273 is the answer. The they next ask the value of y. The value of y should be 2 into 819. 2 into 819. 2 into 819 is a 1638. That is the value of y. The value of y is a 1638. Next, they ask the value of z. The value of z should be 2 into 1638. 2 into 1638. That means 3276. The value of x should be 3276. That means the value of x is a 3276. They ask the question, the prime factorization form of 3276. 3276 prime factorization. That should be 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 13 into 7. That is the prime factorization form of 3276. Understand, students? The next question. Find the LCM and HCF of 336 and 54 using the prime factorization method. That means 336 is written as a 2 ones are 2. Here is a 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 should be written here. Then 3 becomes 13. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Here is a 13. 13 minus 12 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 6 becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. Next, 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. Next, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 3 7s are 21. 7 1s are 7. That means 336 is written as a 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 7. That is written here. Next, 54. 54 is written as a 2 2s are 4. Here is a 5. 5 minus 4 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. The next 4 becomes 14. 2 7s are 14. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. That means 54 is written as a 2 into 3 cube. That is written here. Next, they ask the HCF. HCF means the number common in both number and the lowest power of them. The lowest power should be, here is a 2 raised to 4, here is a 2 raised to 1. That is 2 raised to 1 is the lowest power. Next, 3, here is also 3, here is also 3. Here is HCF means lowest power. Lowest power here is a 1, here is a 3. That means 3 raised to 1, that is 3 is the is in the HCF. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 is the HCF. Next they ask the LCM. LCM means the highest power. The highest power. 2 raised to 4, here is a 2, 2 raised to 4. Next is a 3, 3 raised to 3. That means the LCM is a 3 raised to 3. Next another one is a 7. That should be written 7. All should be multiply on simplification. We get the value of LCM should be 3024. Understand students? The next question. Find the HCF and LCM of 260 and 910 by prime factorization method. The prime factorization method is the most important. If you understand the any number to convert the prime factorization form, you have the 2 marks in your hand or 3 marks in your hand in your exam. That means I explain you in full detail. Here is a 260. 260 is in the table of 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 6s are 12. Here is a 13. 13 minus 12 is 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 0 becomes 10. 2 5s are 10. Next is a 5. 5 ones are 5. Here is a 6. 6 minus 5 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 5 becomes 15. 5 3s are 15. Next 13 ones are 13. That means 216 is written as a 13 into 2 square into 5. That is written here. Next is a 910. 2 4s are 8. Here is a 9. 9 minus 8 is a 1. 1 should be written here. Then 1 becomes 11. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Here is 11. 11 minus 10 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 0 becomes 10. Then 2 5s are 10. Next 5. 5 9s are 45. 5 1s are 5. Next 7 1s are 7. 9 minus 7 is a 2. That 2 should be written here. Then 1 becomes 21. 7 3s are 21. Next 13 1s are 13. Then 910 913 is written as a 2 into 5 into 7 into 13. That is written here. Next, HCF means common in the both the numbers. Here is a 13, here is a 13. The lowest power is a 13. Here is a 2 raised to 2 square. Here is a 2. The lowest power is a 2. That is written here. Here is also 5. Here is also 5. Write the 1 5 here. On multiplication, 13 5 is a 13. 2s are 36. 36 into 5 is a 130 is the answer. Next is a LCM. LCM is common in both number and their highest power. Here is a 30, here is 30, 13. Next, in LCM, write the common number, their highest power, and also here is a 13, 13, write 113 here. Here is a 2 raised, here is a 2 raised to 2, here is a 2 raised to 2, here is a 2. Right, in LCM we write the highest power, that is 2 raised to 2 is a 4, that is written here. Here is 1 7, write here 7. Here is a both the 5, write 1 5 numbers. Understand students? Next, or should we multiply, we get 1820 is the answer. Next question. Find the HCF and LCM of 96 and 404 using prime factorization method. 96 is written as 96. 2 4s are 8. Here is a 9. 9 minus 6 is 9 minus 8 is a 1. That 1 should be written here. Then 6 becomes 16. 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 6s are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. That means 1 2 3 4 5. 2 raised to 5 into 3. That is 96 is written as a 2 raised to 5 into 3. Next is a 404. 404 is a 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4. Next is a 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 1s are 2. Next 1, 0, 1, 1s are. That means 404 is written as a 2 square into 101. HCF. HCF means common in both the number. 2 here is a 2, here is a 2. Then their lowest power is a 2 square, that is written here. Here is a 3, here is not a 3. Here is a 101, here is not 101. That means HCF is equal to 2 square. 2 square is equal to 4. Next LCM. LCM means here is a 2 raised to 5, here is a 2 raised to 2. Highest power is a 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 5, that is written here. Here is a 3, write here 3. Next here is a 101, write 101. That means 2 raised to 5 into 3 into 101 is a 9696. The next question. Prove that root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. Let root 3 be a rational number. Rational number means that number is in the p by q form. That means root 3 is equal to p by q, where q is not equal to 0. P and q are the co-prime numbers. Here is a cross multiply, we get q into root 3 is equal to p. Squaring on both sides, we get 3p square is equal to q square. Understand students? Here p is divisible by p square is divisible by 3. That means p is also divisible by 3. P is equal to 3a, where a is a positive integer. 9a square is equal to 3q square. Q square is equal to 3a square. Q square is divisible by 3. That means q is also divisible by 3. By 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 leads to contradiction, as a p and q are the co-prime. Therefore, root 3 is a rational number. Understand students? Next, prove that root 5 is an irrational number. It is same as a root 3. Understand students? Next question. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 whole square is an irrational number, given that root 6 is an irrational number. Root 3 plus root 2 whole square, that means this is in the form of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A square, here is a square means a root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square means 2 and square root are cancelled, right here 2. Next plus b square. B square is a root 3 whole square. Root are cancelled. Here is a 3. Only 3. Next plus 2ab. Plus 2 into a is a root 2. Into b is a root 3. That means 2 into, here is a root 2. Here is a root 3. 3 to the 6. 2 root 6. That is written here. 2 plus 3 is a 5 plus 2 root 2 right as it is. Next, let us assume to the contradictory. That means that is 5 plus 2 root 6 is an rational number. Rational number is in the form of a divided by b or x divided by y. That means 5 plus 2 root 6 is equal to a divided by b, and where a and b are integers, b cannot be equal to 0. If it becomes b is equal to 0, then it is not an rational numbers. That means root 6 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 becomes, here is a minus 5. A divided by b minus 5. Here is a, find LCM is a b. A right as it is minus 5 into b. That means root 6 is equal to a minus 5b divided by 2b. Next, RHS is an rational number, whereas LHS is an irrational number. Our assumption is wrong. Therefore, pi plus 2 root 6 is equal to root 2 plus root 3 whole square is an irrational number. Understand, students? The next question. Prove that 2 plus 5 root 3 is an irrational number if it is given that root 3 is an irrational number. Let us assume that x equal to 2 plus 5 root 3 is an rational number. That means root 3 is equal to x minus 2 divided by 5. Here is a x. Plus 2 becomes a minus 2 is equal to 5 root 3. Next, 5x minus 2. Here is a 5 multiplication. That becomes, here is a division. Therefore, x minus 2 divided by 5 is equal to root 3. That is written here. X equal to a. Root 3 is equal to x minus 2 divided by 5. Now, RHS is a rational number. LHS is an irrational number. Our assumption is wrong. Hence, 2 plus 5 root 3 is an irrational number. Understand, students? These are all the most important questions. If you learn these questions in your exam, you can do easily. Next question. Prove that 5 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. It is given that root 3 is an irrational number. Assuming 5 minus 2 root 3 to be a rational number, let 5 minus 2 root 3 is equal to a divided by b, where a and b are integers. B cannot be equal to 0. That means here is a 5. Multiply. First multiply these now b in this side. 5b minus 2 root 3 into b is equal to a. Next, minus 2 root 3 into b is equal to a plus 5b becomes a minus 5b. Next, multiply minus on both sides. We get 2 root 3 into b is equal to 5b minus a. B is 2 root 3 is equal to, or b is equal to root 3 is equal to 5b minus a. Here is a 2 into b, is a 2 into b, 2b. That is written here. Root 3 is equal to 5b minus a divided by 2b. Here is a RHS is an irrational number, but LHS is a irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Hence, 5 minus 2 root 3 is an irrational number. Understand, students? The next question. Prove that 2 minus root 3 divided by 5 is an irrational number, given that root 3 is an irrational number. Assuming 2 minus root 3 divided by 5 to be an irrational number, That means 2 minus root 3 divided by 5 is equal to p by q. Where p and q are integers, q cannot be equal to 0. Next, here is a 2. 2 minus root 3 is equal to, here is a 5. 5 is a division. Here is a multiply. Here is a 5p divided by q. Next, minus root 3 is equal to 5p divided by q minus, here is a plus 2, that becomes minus 2. Multiply minus on both sides, we get root 3 is equal to 2 minus 5p divided by q. On q is a LCM. Here is a 2 into q, 5q minus 5p, that is written here. 2q. These are 2 into q. 2q minus 5p. 2q minus 5p. That's a root 3 is equal to 2q minus 5p divided by q. Here RHS is a rational number, but LHS is a irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Hence, 2 minus root 3 divided by 5 is an irrational number. Understand, students? The next question. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number, given that root 5 is an irrational number. Let us assume that x equal to 3 plus 2 root 5 is an rational number. That means root 5 is equal to, here is a x plus 3 becomes minus 3 is equal to 2 root 5. X minus 3, here is a 2 multiplication, that should be, here is a division. X minus 3 divided by 2 is equal to root 5. That is, root 5 is equal to x minus 3 divided by 2. Now, RHS is a rational number, but LHS is a irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Hence, 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Next question. Prove that 6 plus 3 root 2 is an irrational number, given that root 2 is an irrational number. Let us assume that 6 plus 3 root 2 is an irrational number. 6 plus 3 root 2 is equal to x. Then 3 root 2 is equal to x plus 6 becomes minus 6. Root 2 is equal to x minus 6 divided by 3. That is written here, root 2 is equal to x minus 6 divided by 3. Now, x minus 6 divided by 3 is an rational number. But root 2 is an it implies x minus 3 divided by 6, x minus 6 divided by 3 is an rational number. It implies that root 2 is an irrational number. But this contradicts the given facts. Root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. 6 plus 3 root 2 is an irrational number. Understand, students? The next question. Prove that 2 root 2 minus 3 is an irrational number, given that root 2 is an irrational number. Let us assume that x equal to 5 root 2 minus 3 is an irrational number. Next, x minus 3 becomes here plus 3 is equal to 5 root 2. X plus 3, here is a 5 is a multiplication, that should becomes here division is equal to root 3. So, root 2. That is, root 2 is equal to x plus 3 divided by 2, written here. RHS is a rational number. It implies root 2 is a rational number, which contradicts the fact that root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Hence, 5 root 2 minus 3 is an irrational. Understand, students? The next question. Prove that 7 minus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. Given that root 5 is an irrational, let us assume that x equal to 7 minus 3 root 5 is an rational number. That means x plus 7 becomes minus 7 is equal to minus 3 root 5. Multiply minus on both sides, we get 7 minus x is equal to 3 root 5. 7 minus x, here is a 3 multiplication, that becomes here division, is equal to root 5. Root 5 is equal to 7 minus x divided by 3. RHS is a rational number. It implies that root 5 is a rational, which contradicts the fact root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Hence, 7 minus 3 root 5 is an irrational number. Understand, students? Thank you. Thank you for watching our video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.